Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week's deals. These are either going to be items that are on sale or items at their full price or list price that I believe to be good deals, or items that I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them or have any experience with them. So here we are looking at the Witte 6-piece Max Pro slotted and Phillips screwdriver set. This is the same set that I have from Matco. They've changed their design, I don't know, probably 5-6 years ago to a kind of a newer handle design. It's basically, for the most part, the same handle. They've just kind of changed the looks of it a little bit. Just know this is like the original design. I've probably had the Matco version of this set for almost 10 years, and it's one of my favorite screwdriver sets I've ever used. And if you guys follow the channel, you guys know that I've used and owned a lot of different screwdrivers. The handle is very comfortable. Obviously the Matco has like a felt type sandpaper where this blue portion is. I don't think that's the way these are. I think it's dual material, not 100%. Once again, Witte makes them or made them for Matco. I think they still do, just the updated design. And you can also get those here on Amazon as well. They're a little bit more expensive, but this handle design was very comfortable. We use it on the race team as well, and definitely got a lot of use and abuse out of them with no issues. They hold up really well. Nice strong blades. They are made in Germany, so if you have been considering maybe the Matco set, check out directly from Witte. Definitely something to consider. You can save some money. Maybe you don't get that same warranty process that you might get if you have a Matco tool truck that comes by. But whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional, this is a very affordable range for a good quality screwdriver set. So definitely one that I would consider. And this has 4.5 stars at 9 ratings. Keep in mind, all of the products we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent link. And then I will have 2 additional links for tools and tools continued. Those links are going to take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So that's all there for you guys. Next up, we are looking at the Tekton pick and hook set. So I've went over this in the past. It's a 5-piece set. It's made in the USA. Really good picks. I've had mine since they came out. This has 4.8 stars at 412 ratings. A very affordable pick set. It's not your $4 pick set from Harbor Freight, but it's not your, $80 pick set from Matco or Snap-on. You're getting a good quality pick set made in the USA, comfortable handles. This is that classic 4-sided handle design from Tekton in miniature sizing. They're very comfortable, and I enjoy the tips on them. You get a good variety of hooks and angled picks as well as the straight pick. This is at $17.41, a list price of $24. I think I normally see it for $20, or the price was $20 last time I went over this. I don't know if they bumped the price up to $24 on these and that's the actual price now instead of $20. Either way, $17.41 is a great price. The $20 is a buy all day long if you need a good quality pick set. This is the only size variation available for this set, but overall good quality stuff, and you can buy them individually for $6. So here we are looking at a Megapro original 15-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. This Phillips flat, Torx, and square. There you can see the part number on it. This has 4.6 stars at 207 ratings. It is $26, not on sale. I don't know this brand. I've never used it. It is made in the USA. That's why I threw it in here. Because it does seem like a lot of people really enjoy it, and if you're looking for a USA made multi-bit screwdriver, it does have that carousel there in the handle. One thing I did notice in the reviews is this is not a magnetic multi-bit screwdriver. They do have the ball detent in the bits, as you can see there. And that is one thing that a lot of people wished that they would kind of upgrade or update on these drivers. They do have a few different designs. They have a red one. I'm not sure if it just includes different bits, but this is the first time I've heard of this brand. I don't know if I've been under a rock or if it's just not something that, a lot of people know about. But here you can see the bits included. It does state made in the USA. You can also see that in the handle right here. Megapro made in the USA, Eclipse limited edition, 15-in-1. There's all the bits once again. 1/4-inch hex shaft. So your standard size bits. So like here's the original tamper-proof 15-in-1 multi-bit. This one is $10 more. A lot of good reviews on these. This one has 4.8 stars at 1,356. So once again, this is going to include the tamper-proof bits. So it is a little bit more expensive. They have another one here. This is the precision screwdriver, 4.7 stars at 157. So these are, you know, or I shouldn't say these screwdrivers, this brand in general, I have never looked at. So I wanted to get your guys' feedback on them. If you guys have any experience with these, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. I think for the price, you're getting a good multi-bit screwdriver, and definitely worth a mention. Let me know down in the comments if you have any experiences with these. Last up is another item that I figured was a good one to mention. So in the past, I have like one of those wall-mounted power tool holders that's got a couple shelves on it. And when I originally purchased mine, it was like way overpriced. You could build it for half the price, if not less. But at the time, they really only had 2 or 3 options available. And so I ended up purchasing one. Not even a year later, they started being mass produced in multiple different sizes, quality ranges, material types. Now you can get them that hold a couple tools up to a ridiculous amount of tools. And then at the time, these can holders weren't very popular either. Well, they were, but they were more geared towards detailers or race teams, or, you know, construction, where you're mounting these things in a trailer. They were like a single row can holder. Now you're starting to see more designs like this, which is still, you know, usable in a trailer or, you know, mobile kind of work, but this is also more geared towards using it at home, and it's a little bit larger. You got 8 cans. The ones I've seen go from 2 cans to, you know, 8 cans. You got the magnetic ones that you see a lot, you know, Harbor Freight, all these other brands that sell just the magnetic ones that go on the side of your toolbox. This one you actually mount to the wall. You got a couple different shelves. You got a paper towel roll holder for your shop towels, and a couple shelves. You got some hooks on the end. There is actually a couple modifications down in the reviews where people have added like longer bolts to the side over here on these, and they actually like mount rolls of tape. I'll show you here in just 1 minute. But from all the reviews, it seems like people, when I first started looking at it, I wasn't sure I was going to mention it just because I wasn't sure of the quality. I wasn't sure, you know, if it was going to be real flimsy or whatnot. But all the comments state that it's built very well, it's sturdy, and they haven't had any issues with it. So I figured it was worth the mention, and it's not priced too bad. At $40, and you have a 10% coupon. It's got 4.6 stars at 54 ratings, so rated highly, not rated a whole lot, but here you can see the modification this reviewer has done with the bolts on the side, and this allows him to hang all of his different tapes on there, so you're not packing them in a drawer or anything like that. I think that's a fantastic modification, and it seems like, you know, everybody for the most part has really enjoyed this product. One thing I did notice is on this top row, it's going to be hard for you guys to see, there is a lip here to kind of prevent the cans from falling or kind of sagging, but I kind of wish that lip was just a little bit taller to really prevent those cans from moving around. But not a big deal. That's really the only thing that I noticed. Other than that, I figured it was worth the mention. That's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these items are linked down in the description. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.